Hello and welcome to today's session as we explore some strategies that can make your product training not only effective but also highly engaging. It's crucial to first understand your audience. Identify their needs, preferences, and learning styles to help you tailor your e-learning content to be relevant and engaging. Incorporate quizzes, simulations, and interactive scenarios into your e-learning modules. This not only reinforces learning but also makes the learning experience more immersive and enjoyable. Attention spans are getting shorter, so go for microlearning. Break down content into bite-sized, focused modules that learners can easily digest. This makes learning more flexible and manageable. Make sure your e-learning platform is mobile-friendly for learners who are constantly on the move. Empower your team to access training anytime, anywhere, making learning a seamless part of their daily routines. Incorporate real-world scenarios to help bridge the gap between theory and practice, making the learning experience more relevant and applicable to learners' day-to-day tasks. Make learning fun and motivate learners' active participation by including gamification elements such as challenges, badges, and leaderboards that add an element of competition. Implementing these strategies will help enhance the effectiveness of your training and empower your team with the knowledge and skills they need to excel. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching.